Reading 10 pages a day adds up to roughly 12 books a year. That knowledge compounds and sets you apart. Pick something that inspires you: a biography, a skill building book, or a motivational podcast. By committing to this 20-20-20 formula, you are programming your mind and body for peak performance while the rest of the world is still asleep. Idea 2: freedom from distraction. Distraction is one of the biggest obstacles to productivity. Today, we are bombarded by notifications, social media, and endless entertainment. Sharma calls this the attention economy. Companies make billions hijacking your focus. When was the last time you heard a world class athlete or CEO say, "I owe my success to hours of TikTok each day"? Never.